Ben from Watsonian Sidecars. Here we have our Prescott model sidecar attached to the new Royal Enfield Meteor. So we'll walk around and have a look at some of the features. This one comes with a nice cast aluminium screen mount with the aero screen on it. We painted this one black just to time with some of the features on the bike. That would normally be a bare aluminium casting. This particular sidecar is sat on our perimeter chassis. So a nice flat chassis made from 1.5 inch steel tube, all powder coated in black. This model normally comes with a 16-inch spoked wheel as standard. Again, as it's attached to the Meteor with cast black wheels, we've put a 17-inch cast wheel on here, painted it to match with the pinstriping on the wheel as well to match the bike, so that ties it all in really nicely. Got a black mudguard on it because the bike's got black mudguards. So there's lots of little details we can offer to suit your own motorcycles. If we have a look inside here, much bigger cockpit than you expect on a small lightweight sidecar, so that would still take people up to 6 foot. Nice comfortable seats. There's some storage space behind the seat, so we've got the tonneau cover folded up in the back of there. There's a bit of room for packed lunches and some luggage, jackets, etc. It also comes with this tonneau which will fit onto here, onto all these press studs. Protects it from the rain, but also gives you somewhere to store your clothing and stuff when you're away from the motorcycle. This particular sidecar is very interesting. It's actually, the body of it was originally a drop tank from a mosquito bomber. So Watsonian used those just after the war to make sidecars. They're now made out of fiberglass. There's a real nice story behind that, this particular model. If we have a quick look at the fittings. On this bike we've got a bespoke kit for the Royal Enfield Meteor, so the 4 fittings on the bike are bike specific and for this model only. 4 of our standard arms, giving it a really rigid fit. Setup is very critical to the handling, but obviously more importantly to the safety. So if you've got any questions about this particular model, about fitting your own sidecar to a motorcycle, please give us a call. And don't forget, we're also doing this for Royal Enfield, so we can supply the bikes as well.